Welcome to RLC MATLAB Academy. Today we are going to discuss about 5 kilowatt wind energy conversion system with POMPPT. In this POMPPT consists of wind turbine, PMSG, bridge rectifier, boost converter, POMPPT, PWM generator, this is load, and these are the measurement scope. This is input side, this is output side scope. These are the parameters we are going to discuss in this video. In this first we are going to see about wind turbine. The wind turbine input for wind turbine is wind speed, variable wind speed we have given for the wind turbine, and pitch angle is the another input. This is the wind input. The wind turbine actually converts wind energy into mechanical energy. So the mechanical energy is given to the PMSG. Mechanical energy is given to the PMSG. PMSG actually converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. This electrical energy is given to the rectifier, bridge rectifier. This electrical energy means wind speed is converted into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy, that means AC. This three-phase AC is given to the bridge rectifier. It converts AC into DC. AC into DC. This DC rectifier voltage and current. This is voltage and this is current. These voltage and current sent to the POMPPT controller. VDC rectifier voltage, rectifier current is given to the POMPPT. This POMPPT generate optimal duty cycle. This duty cycle is given to the PWM generator. PWM generator generate the pulse for the boost converter. This boost converter increase the voltage, that is low voltage into high voltage. This is given to the load side parameters. That means boost converter increase the or step up the DC voltage. This DC voltage increases. This is input side voltage. This is output side voltage. The output side voltage will be increased. Voltage is directly proportional to current. These two are increased means power also increased. Whatever we given in the input side, for example, we have mentioned 5 kilowatt wind turbine. We need to achieve the maximum power extraction from the wind, that is almost equal to 4 to 5 kilowatt. That is our main aim to by using this POMPPT control. This is the concept. Now we are going to discuss about block by block. In this is the wind speed we have used. Starting we have used 8 and 12, 8 meter per second. Next 12 meter per second is the wind speed. Based on that we can mention the wind speed. Rated wind speed is 12 meter per second. In this 12 meter per second we can achieve 5 kilowatt. This is our main concept. We need to focus this one. For 12 meter per second we need to achieve 5 kilowatt. That is the main concept here. So this wind turbine consists of 5 kilowatt and the base wind speed is 12 meter per second. Rest of the things are same. We need to change based on our requirements. 5 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt divided by 0.9. This is the wind turbine rating. Next, this is PMSG. This is POMPPT. Output of POMPPT is duty cycle is given to the PWM generator. The rating of PWM generator is 5000 Hz. We have used switching frequency. Next, the boost converter inductance and capacitance rating we have calculated based on the wind turbine and PMSG. Based on that we have to calculate the inductance, capacitance and load resistance. After that we have to run the simulation to get the results based on the wind speed with respect to 5 kilowatt wind turbine. Now I am going to simulate the model. You can check the rectifier voltage, rectifier current, and this is rectifier power. This is for 8 meter per second. This is for 12 meter per second. Based on that load parameters, voltage, current and load power. So now we have to check the 12 meter per second. We have achieved 5 kilowatt or not. You can check the input side is 5 kilowatt. We have achieved. This is input side. Load side we need to check 4 to 5, that is 4 point. You can check it from this 4.5 kilowatt we have achieved. For 5 kilowatt wind turbine, we have achieved by using PO MPPT control to extract the maximum power from the wind. Thanks for watching our videos. Thank you so much.